Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I'm participating of an open collaboration, Cozy Corner or Vignette, hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and there is a list of hosts. I will be leaving links to their channel down in my description box along with the playlist. Make sure to go visit them, like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Like that, you won't miss any of our new videos. Today I will be decorating my fireplace, so sit back, relax, and enjoy.